there. See the duck? Duck is still there. The duck is waiting for the food, but we're not allowed to feed them, I don't think. And besides, we don't have any food for them. See, that's only in the lake, in the pond. We are in the pond here. So, hello everyone. No. Nakalimutan ko nang sasabihin ko. Ganun talaga. I'm getting old. I forgot what I'm saying. I forgot. Anyhow, I love you guys. Love you, love you. Mainit. Love you.